So guys, I'm curious about this building. It's really high skyscraper on the backside, 42 floors. I just want to see an apartment there, and here. I'm curious if I can convince somebody, some landlord or somebody here, because I saw they have apartments to rent by day and by month. And yeah, just curious to see if it's possible to see one apartment here, or two maybe. One room, two room, let's see, and also the view. So, really impressive buildings. So, look at this. I mean, it's really, as I heard, the prices are between 8.5 and 15 million a month. This is between like $350 to $700, could be even more, the higher floors there. So yeah, really beautiful, and of course the view has to be at least stunning, if I can call it like that. So wish me luck, guys, with this just a short apartment tour. Just want to show you guys quickly how it looks an apartment for about 14 million dong month. This is a bathroom. Here is like, oh, one bedroom. This one, oh, I don't think it's, no light here, in here, or? It's like 2-bedroom apartments. Oh, no. Yes, thank you. So 2-bedroom apartment. This is 14 million, right? 14 million. So about. Oh, here's the bathroom. Very nice. And here's. Oh, another bathroom. So 2-bathroom, 2-bedroom. That's really great. And here it's like the 32nd floor. Oh. So this one is on the 32nd floor. And here, the kitchen. And let's see. Can I go here too? Oh, just to see? Yeah. Oh, sorry. Kitchen, open space kitchen. Very beautiful, yes. And this one, we have a shower machine. Man, and look at this view, like the 32nd. Oh my god. It's really 32nd floor. There you have another building. And the beach here. So actually this has about 41 stores, 41 floors. So yeah. Yes, very beautiful. So this is about 14 million. So probably with electricity, probably around 14.5 or maybe 15 million. This is about, how much in dollars? It's about maybe up to $600-700, something like this, right? Yeah, but it looks very nice, very nice. I get to see another apartment, 2-room apartment, the same kitchen, very modern. Fridge, you have the fridge. Here you have 1 bedroom. 2 bedrooms, sorry. This is one of them, here. Here's another one. Another toilet, another bedroom. And what is the best part? The best part is the view. Like, you have a small couch here, a TV, and man, I can really. Oh, this is. I think I can go like this. Holy Mother of God! I mean, look at this view. Oh my God! You have the view of the whole Da Nang here. Incredible. Even the bridge here, the Dragon Bridge. Man, this is breathtaking view. I mean, look at this 32nd floor. I never lived actually in so high somewhere, so yeah. Man, this is totally breathtaking. So I have to thank this guy for showing me this apartment, these two apartments here. So think about it, for about 14 to 15 million dong you can have this view here. Incredible, right? So this is the area where we're going to be living, here close to the beach. If you were interested to rent one of these apartments that I showed you, yes, and here you see again the building. It's really impressive. Actually, the second apartment, guys, it was only by day between 900,000 to 1.2 million, 1.1 million Vietnam dong, which is, yeah, let's say between 40 to $45, something like this. Yeah, but this is actually the area. Plenty of hotels. My current apartment is somewhere in the back there, in the Golden Lotus Street. So yeah, I think it's, personally I like it. Of course, you may say, oh, there's a lot of constructions here, which is true, but that's no problem. I mean, because the construction is only during on daytime. So on daytime, I'm at the beach or doing some other stuff, like filming or something, whatever. So yeah. Anyway, this is the building, probably, well, if not the highest, one of the highest buildings here, apartment buildings here in Da Nang. You see, in the back, yeah. And yeah, I'm really impressed. I mean, I never lived in the 32nd floor or something. Have you guys? But anyway, thanks for watching this video, and peace out, guys. Love you.